What's up, third graders? How's it going? It's Mrs. Laux here, coming at you from my living room. We're going to use the data provided to create a graph and answer the questions below for this morning work. Today's is March 25th. Oh, looks like I have Billy Bob Buckley's paper, so that's kind of fun. So let's use the data provided to create a graph. We got to create the graph and we have to answer the questions. This graph looks like it's the survey results. Survey says, and we have cat, dog, bird, and bunny. I have a feeling they were checking out people's favorites. And if I look down here at the bar graph that we have to build, it does say favorite animals in third grade. Here's the y-axis is the number of votes, and it's going up by ones, which is cool. And the x-axis looks like it's going to be the types of animals, and they already filled in cat for us. So let's see, cat was up to group of 5 plus 1 more is 6, and they already did the bar graph. You know I love to cross things out. Keep yourself organized, people. All right, dog. Let's put dog down here. D-O-G. You know what? They put a capital, and it is the title of this one. So I'm going to capitalize it also. There we go. All right. So dog was 5, 6, 7. So we are going to draw, I don't know what this little tick mark is right here. Maybe that's supposed to be the middle of the bar, but you know what? I'm going to work with it. I'm going to go all the way up, draw myself a bar, and give it a quick shade in. I hope yours is neater than mine. Yes, certainly have time to keep it neat, people. All right, let's take care of dog. Now let's look at bird. 3 tick marks. I'm going to give that a capital because that's what they did, and I'm cool like that. I'm going to go all the way up to the 3, and I'm going to shade in my bar. Again, take your time on that one. Cross off bird. And bunny had 4 votes, so we'll put bunny. And we're going up to the 4 right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And shade that thing in right there. Boom. So I created the graph, cross off my problem. Number 2, answer the question below. Here's our question way down here. How many more students chose dog as their favorite animal than cat? Well, I'm going to put my little numbers up top. Here's cat was 6, dog was 7, bird was 3, and we had bunny at 4. So how many more chose dog than cat? So dog was 7, cat was 6. So it looks like 1 more chose dog than cat, which I think is, I'm a little concerned about that because cats are awesome. I think someone's here. Who is it?
It's me, Mrs. Pomeroy. I'm ready for number 2. Are you guys ready? Number 2 says Ernie, not Bert, Ernie bought 5 comic books for $2 each and 4 baseball cards for $1 each. How much did he spend in all? And show your work. Oh, look at that. The little math fairies once again has come to help me out. So how much did he spend in all and show your work? So I love a good picture. So I'm going to start off by drawing my 5 comic books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they were $2 each, so I'm going to just label them as $2 each. And 4 baseball cards for $1 each. So now, how much did he spend in all? So I could just count by 2s right here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then count by 1s, 11, 12, 13, 14. And he would spend $14 in all. But watch what I'm going to do. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 baseball cards, and they each cost $2. And then I'm going to add my 4 baseball cards that cost $1. And then I'm going to see how much my total is. 5 times 2 is 10. And then 4 times 1 is 4. 10 plus 4 equals 14. The same answer I got up there. So how much did he spend in all? Ernie, not Bert. Ernie spent 14. Whoop, my camera's in the way. $14 in all. Woo. There we go.
Oh knew that I was going to have a guest for correcting this morning work? I can't even believe it. 6 feet away, of course, people. Let's look at number 3. Is 3/6 equivalent, means equal, to 4/8? Yes or no? They give us these 2 number lines right here. Both go up to 1, so I know this is just one Twizzler. Let's look for 3/6 on the first one. We're broken into 6 equal pieces. Let's go to 3 of them. 1/6, 2/6, and 3/6. There we go. And on the second number line, let's go to 4/8. So we've got 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, and 4/8 right there. Are they equivalent? Well, it looks to me like this piece of Twizzler is definitely the same size as this piece of Twizzler. They're right up to the same point, so I'm going to say yes, same exact thing.
Numero 4. Draw hands on the clock to show what time you woke up today. Well, this one here, many of you are probably going to have a different answer because I don't think we all woke up at the same time today. But I kind of woke up late today. I think I woke up at 7:05. So 7:05. Just going to write the time just to remind me. 7:05. So remember, when you're doing the time, the hour hand is the shorter hand and the minute hand is the longer hand. So 7:05, my short hand's going to be just a smidge, I can't even do it, past the 7. Kind of almost right on the 7. Just a little tiny bit after. And then 7:05, 5, boom. So my minute hand's going to come all the way out here to the 1. 7:05. Oops, sorry. I'm kind of bad with my camera right now.
And for number 5, we're going to draw a rhombus. And oh, look, the math fairy sprinkled something in for us right here. We're going to draw a rhombus. It's 4 equal sides. So it can be any shape with 4 equal sides. So it could be a nice, beautiful square. That's pretty equal. I might clean that one up if I had a little extra time, but you know what, I'm busy. Could be a rhombus like that. Could definitely be more of the traditional looking rhombus. That one's not perfect quite either, but those are our 2 choices. We cannot have a trapezoid because we don't have 4 equal sides. We can't have a rectangle because we don't have 4 equal sides. We also can't have that kind of traditional parallelogram going on because there are not 4 equal sides. And we can't have the traditional kite shape because they're not 4 equal sides. So we're good to go with those 2 choices.
And last question of the day is number 6. Write a fraction that tells how many of these figures are stars. So I know my numerator is what I'm talking about and my denominator is how many there are altogether. So if I'm talking about stars, I'm going to count the stars and I see 1, 2, 3. So 3 will be in my numerator and then my denominator is all of those shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 out of 8 or 3/8 of all these symbols over here are stars. So if I want to check to see what fraction are hearts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5/8 would be hearts. And all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8/8 are shapes. And that, my friends, is number 6. And we're all done. So go put those in your binders. No, just kidding. You don't have a binder at home. Go put them somewhere and save them. And I miss you.